Down here at JLS. So the first thing we got to do is we have to take off the valve covers. Why are we doing that? Well, the reason we're doing that is they just look ugly from factory and they hold the coil packs. We're going to be relocating the coil packs, therefore we have a nice chrome set of valve covers. So let's go put them on. Okay, so obviously we have this box here, this beautiful box. We've got these nice valve covers, and these are going to replace those ugly f***ing things. Yes. So let's start taking them off and putting them on. So here's the new ones that are going on. Came with some hardware and a gasket. So let's put the gasket in here. A seal fell out. Fucking seal.
Just if you dab a little bit of dielectric grease in a few spots,
yeah,
it'll help to hold it. Just a dab will do you.
So what do you do?
Just put a few dabs of dielectric in there.
Like, oh, on the inside.
Yeah, so when you go to put it in there, it's set forward.
What kind of empty tube did you give me?
Yeah, well, not everything's, you know, brand new.
Put a little dab there. Put another little dab on this side. Put a dab in the middle here. And it should hold it in there. So, we got the goo in here. Looks like it's lining up really nicely. Okay, now that we have the ugly valve covers off, we are now going to put the new nice valve covers on. Make sure you put the oil fill spot on the passenger side. That way you don't make it wrong.
Don't forget about this sweet Brian Tooley valve train.
Oh yeah, sweet Brian Tooley valve train right there.
Brian's a man.
Put this on. Okay, so in the comments below, what was your first modification to a truck you really felt attached to? Not even just a truck, maybe a car, a motorcycle. What was your first modification? Let us know in the comments below, and let's see if maybe your thing was 2 turbos, or maybe a tune, or maybe some tires, or maybe a new clutch, or a gear shifter, all the way down to maybe putting some lights on, or changing the seats. Who knows? But I want to hear what you did the very first time you got a car and you fell in love with that car, and what your first modification was. Okay, so we've put the valve cover gaskets on and the valve covers on. It looks really nice, way better than stock. So if you ever need those, make sure you change them. It looks way nicer. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video, okay? If you haven't already, make sure you like the video, you subscribe to the channel, and comment below, did you actually like the valve covers, and would you do it to your vehicle, or would you leave them stock and you put the coil packs on top? Make sure you drop the comment below and you tune in. We've got some great more videos coming up. We'll see you soon.